To find the area of any triangle, you need to use the formula area of the triangle equals 1/2 base times height. In this example, since the base is 10 inches and the height is 8 inches, we just need to put these numbers in the formula. So area equals 1/2, and instead of write the base, I have to put a parenthesis inside the value that is 10 inches times the value of the height, that is 8 inches. Due is a multiplication, you can multiply in the order you want. But the easiest way is to start with the multiplication of base times height. In this case, is equal to 80 inches square. But this result needs to be multiplied by 1/2. But when you multiply any number by 1/2, is equal to divide by 2. So 80 divided by 2 is equal to 40 inches square. And this is how you get the area of a triangle when you have the base and the height.